kicking in as well. So I thought, I'll just have a sit down in this chair and munch a bit of porridge. Then I felt a bit sleepy, so I went for a quick lie down. Next thing I know, there's all this cursing and screaming from downstairs. Luckily I nipped off sharpish, or there would have been some trouble. Didn't realise Mr. Bear was none other than the Chief of Police. I'm going to escape on one of them boats.
If you're in such a rush to escape, why are you still here?
I tried to stow away in one of the crates, but I couldn't get 'em open. Guess I'm stuck here until another method presents itself.
I'll see if I can help you with the crates.
Thanks. I'd be very grateful if you would.
Stay here. I'll be back later.
I'll be around. What are you doing? This is perfect. There's no room for all this lot in here. Thanks for your help. Bye.
All right, mate.
Greetings, Buana.
You new around here?
I just come in from Calamari, man. I've come to this wonderful city to make a name for myself. My name is Umbongo, and I'm most pleased to make your acquaintance.
My name's Simon, and how do you